The minivan is back, and Toyota is proving it can be cooler, smarter, and more versatile than any SUV on the market. Meet the 2026 Toyota Sienna, a family vehicle that is anything but ordinary. This is not just a box on wheels built for errands and carpools. This is a rolling lounge, a tech-packed cabin, and a comfort-first travel machine that makes SUVs look absolutely stupid. Let me show you why. Under the hood, Toyota kept things simple but brilliant. Every single 2026 Sienna comes with the brand's proven hybrid powertrain, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors. Together, they deliver a respectable 245 horsepower. This is not about raw performance. It is about balance and intelligence. You get smooth, quiet acceleration, seamless transitions between gas and electric power, and fuel economy that will make every SUV owner seriously jealous. We are talking up to 36 miles per gallon combined. The Sienna gives you fewer gas stops, more money saved, and more time to actually enjoy the journey. Whether you stick with front-wheel drive or opt for all-wheel drive, that efficiency remains the same, and that is incredibly rare in this segment. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 Sienna absolutely destroys the competition. Toyota designed the cabin to feel more like a living room than a vehicle interior. The second-row captain's chairs slide a full 25 inches back, giving passengers business class legroom that no SUV can match. Everywhere you look, there is smart storage, overhead shelves, a massive bridge-style center console, and yes, 18 that is enough for every kid, every parent, and maybe even the family dog. Technology takes a massive leap forward this year. The 2026 Sienna offers a gorgeous 12.3-inch infotainment screen running Toyota's latest software, snappy performance with easy access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. Wireless charging keeps your devices powered. A head-up display projects essential info right onto your windshield. Multiple USB ports make sure everyone stays connected. And if you upgrade to the JBL 12-speaker premium sound system, every road trip turns into a full-blown concert experience. Rear passengers get an optional entertainment setup with screens and streaming capability. Absolute lifesavers for keeping kids entertained on long family drives. Performance-wise, the Sienna is not trying to be a sports car, but it still surprises you. The hybrid system delivers instant torque right off the line. With a 0 to 60 time of around 7.5 seconds, it is quick enough to handle highway, merging or passing with absolute confidence. The regenerative braking feels natural, not grabby like some hybrids. And the ride quality is simply superb. Toyota tuned the suspension to keep things smooth and composed even on rough roads. It is quiet, comfortable, and built to make every trip, no matter how long, completely stress-free. Of course, versatility is the Sienna's secret weapon, and this is where SUVs truly look stupid. Fold down the third row, and you instantly unlock tons of cargo space. The second row seats slide far forward, giving you up to 101 cubic feet of usable space. Sports gear, camping equipment, home improvement projects, family luggage. This thing swallows just about anything you throw at it. Most SUVs cannot even come close to that cargo capacity. The 2026 Toyota Sienna proves that the minivan is not dead. It is evolving and embarrassing SUVs in the process. Toyota did not just make a family hauler. They built a family sanctuary that gets 36 mpg. This is why SUVs look stupid. The minivan does everything better and does everything better.